Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, what we can see is a very bearish movement. But one thing for sure we can observe is there is a outburst of uptrend, breakout, and we have the undying bearish movement, breakout again, undying movement. So don't underestimate this movement. Over here is 70 pips thereabout, and this is 210 pips, which makes this movement, this breakout look small, but this is where you need to really measure the candle, the movement before you have that conclusion. All right, so on the 4-hour chart we can see a bigger picture of the consolidation that start to have a bit of expansion that's happening. What do you see over here? Have you spotted any analysis yet? So we use this framework known as AP, analyze, plan, execute. So we analyze the overall picture, then we start to plan our trade. Are we trading with the trend or against the trend? And finally we'll execute the trade, and within the execution we'll look into whether are we going to intervene at certain levels or we just go with the flow. All right, so on the 1-hour chart, this is what we got. On the 1-hour chart, a retest of the previous support. Market has have a rebound and back to the resistance again. So I see that the best strategy for dollar yen right now, for the coming week at least, we are looking very much in support, resistance, and trend line related stuff. Okay, back to daily chart. If you want to find out more about what I have just shared, more in depth, or you don't quite get it, just scan this QR code, you'll get into our website. You can ask questions over here, but just before you do ask questions, watch the videos over here. It's free for you. During this COVID period, we want everyone to start earning. I've received a lot of phone calls, WhatsApp from traders all around the world, a lot from the United States as well, and this is where we offer and we see how it goes. If you love to go another steps, then we can discuss further. Our apprentice program is back online already. All right, so back on track. Drop me a message, we'll have a short interview to see if you're a good fit for that. All right, scroll down further, you can even see our trade ideas as well that we have dedicated to traders and our inner circle. All right, so on our daily chart over here, what we have, you can see that the overall tone I have for this pair, I'm looking a very bearish setup for a shorting opportunity. And the 4-hour over here, we have a sideway consolidation. All right, initially was a sideways symmetrical triangle, and expand up, respected this support, respected this resistance. So this is the most important setup right now, and this is a level that traders can wait for the active alphas to see if you are still in for a shorting opportunity. Shorting to the candle body, let's say this is a 36 pips movement. If it's good enough for you, you can engage. It's not so much for me, unless I'm looking for extension towards the downside. All right, so on the 1-hour, this is what we get, a bigger picture, a zoom in of this version. All right, closer look over here, we have a RSI divergence on a retest of the previous high structure, or some of you may call it a double top. Not that much for me. I have my filters, criteria, and stuff like that, but if you like it, to treat it as a double top, so be it. All right, you can wait for a confirmation to make sure that it doesn't break and close above 104.24 before hitting for a short. I think it's a good idea. That's pretty much of these. Just remember there are a lot of small pockets over here that can suck the movement up. Okay, so I'll give the last line 10435. If you go further, then you have to base on other support resistance level for trading opportunity. That's pretty much I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Looking forward to see you soon. Take care, guys.